Hey everyone, welcome back to my lab. Today, we're making one of my favorite skincare staples, Purify Herbal Powder Face Wash. It's gentle, travel-friendly, preservative-free, and it's going to make your skin feel clean, fresh, and super soft. I love powder cleansers because you control how much you use, and they last forever if you store them right. Before we start, let's meet our star ingredients because you know I'm into making you learn or explaining what each one does. First up, Sodium Cocoyl Isethionate, or SCL. We call this the baby foam surfactant because it's so gentle it's often used in baby cleansers. It gives a soft, creamy lather, no tight, squeaky skin after washing. Next, Rhassoul Clay. This one comes straight from Morocco. It's rich in minerals, draws out impurities, and makes the skin feel silky smooth. French red clay is our glow booster. The color comes from iron oxides, and it gently stimulates circulation. Fuller's Earth, or Multani Mitti, the OG clay for oil control and deep cleansing. If you have congestion or clogged pores, this is your best friend. While turmeric, or kasturi manjal, brightens, calms inflammation, and unlike regular turmeric, it won't stain your skin yellow. Neem leaf powder is a powerhouse antibacterial, perfect for keeping breakouts away. Gooseberry powder, or amla, super rich in vitamin C, helps brighten and boosts collagen. Licorice root powder is one of my favorite skin brighteners. It also helps with pigmentation over time. And finally, lemon peel powder is fresh, zingy, gently exfoliating, and full of vitamin C. Here's the table of the formulation. You can absolutely take a screenshot for the reference. Now, let us understand the tools or equipment. We're keeping it simple today. A digital scale, because we don't eyeball in professional formulation. A mixing bowl, glass or stainless steel, never plastic. A spatula or spoon for mixing. A fine sieve for a smooth, lump-free powder. And of course, a clean jar with an airtight lid for storage. Now, let us get into formulation process. All right, let's make some magic. Step 1, weigh out the SCL. Since it's a fine powder or noodle form, handle it gently so it doesn't poof everywhere. Step 2, into a clean bowl, add all your clays, Rhassoul, French Red, and Fuller's Earth. Step 3, add the herbal powders, wild turmeric, neem, amla, licorice, and lemon peel. Step 4, give it a gentle stir with your spatula. We're not whipping cream here, just blending powders evenly without creating dust clouds. And that's it! Our herbal powder face wash is ready. Now I'm packing mine into this airtight glass jar. It keeps the product fresh and moisture-free. To use, just take about a teaspoon of powder in your palm, add a few drops of water, and mix into a smooth paste. Gently massage onto damp skin for about 30 seconds, then rinse off. It's so gentle you can use it daily, morning, or night. And because there's no water in it, it can last up to a year if you store it well. And there you go, Purify Herbal Powder Face Wash. Simple, effective, and 100% natural. If you try it, let me know in the comments how your skin feels. Until next time, happy formulating.